water, an essential resource for all living things, is a cornerstone of infrastructure for any economic development. For more than 20 years, Sayawong Group, which currently includes the Toyo Industry Lao Factory, has been focused on researching and use new technology from Europe and Asia to produce better plastic pipes and feeding for waterworks industry in Lao market. Toyo Industry Lao Factory was established in 2016, has become the leading of plastic pipes manufacturer and fittings for the Lao PDR, including PVC pipe, UPVC pipe, HDPE pipe, PPR pipe, and more. Under an international trademark as Toyo brand and Asian Green brand at international standards, the newest products were released, the Erie HDPE and Garden HDPE, to help solve issues in irrigation sector, agriculture, and farming. Our products has been produced at international standards and quality according to TIS 172532 standard for PVC pipe, ISO 1452-2 standard for UPVC pipe, DIN 1874 and 8075, ISO 4427-2016 and AS NZS 4130-2018 for HDPE pipe, DIN 8077 for PPR pipe. Toyo Industry Lao Factory is located on an area of 14 acres with more than 150 employees and the Toyo Lab Center for Quality Control, including professional engineers with more than 20 years of experience. Our production capacity of 15,000 metric tons per year, and by using high-quality food-grade raw materials from international suppliers in many countries, such as various countries in the Middle East, South Korea, China, Taiwan, Thailand, and Singapore. So Toyo Industry Lao Factory's products are assured to meet the highest technical and safety standards. Toyo Industry Lao Factory has 5 branches and more than 1,000 retailers throughout the country. You can find Toyo pipe products in any construction equipment shop. Every product from Toyo Industry Lao Factory are trusted and widely used by our customers. Can be found in urban water supply systems, rural water supply systems, smart farm for agriculture water systems, division pipes in dams construction, electric conduits in solar farm projects, mining industry, irrigation system, electronic conduits, telecom conduits, oil pipes, gas pipes, drainage and wastewater treatment pipes, slotted pipes, and more. Our clients are government ministries, private sectors, domestic and international investors. One of our achievements at Toyo Industry Lao Factory is that our products has received verifications from domestic and international standards such as Qualification of Quality Management System ISO 9001-2015 from TCL Australia, Certificate of Lao National Standard LS 71-2009, the Ministry of Industry and Commerce on Quality Standards, and Certificate of Lao Products made in Laos. In addition, Toyo Industry Lao Factory has received awards such as ASEAN Wholesale Retail Business Excellence Award, ASEAN Business Startup and Innovation Driven Enterprise Award, and National Outstanding Business Award. In addition, Toyo Industry Lao Factory is also a member of many domestic and international business communities, such as Lao National Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Association of Lao Architects and Civil Engineers, Lao Water Works Association, Young Entrepreneurs Association of Laos, Lao Businesswomen Association, International Water Association, and Southeast Asia Water Utilities Network. Social assistance along with products development, We are also support social activities such as providing financial aid to victims of natural disasters, supplying of alcohol and chlorine disinfectants to hospitals during the COVID pandemic, providing technical training skills for both government and private sectors, freelancer and educational institution to provide them with professional skills in waterworks industry to help improve the skilled workers of our society. TOYO Industry Lao Factory will continue develop and produce quality products using high-quality raw material that is eco-friendly to develop the basic infrastructure of our country to serve the mission of social economics development in the green and sustainable way.